Science Factor of Class 4. Let's start our today's lecture. The human brain. Our today's topic is the human brain, about which we have to discuss. Our brain have many parts, but there are some important parts we have to discuss. The cerebrum. This is the cerebrum. This whole part is called a cerebrum. ठीक है? Okay. The cerebrum have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The frontal lobe, the parental lobe, occupational lobe, and temporal lobe. Okay. Cerebrum have 4 parts. How many parts cerebrum have? 4 parts. Frontal lobe. It controls over emotions, plannings, and instant feeling. It is the front part of our brain. As we can see it is above our eyes. Okay. Frontal lobe. Quickly, this part gives quick responses. Okay. This part gives quick responses as instantly, don't touch it, move, instant plannings. When we start emotionally crying or smiling, it is just in a seconds. It done in just in a seconds. So this work can done with this part of the brain. This part is above eyes. Okay, the front side of our brain. The next is parental lobe. It controls our movement, that how we have to move. Is we have to push back or down, is we have to sit or stand, is we have to move our hands upward or downward. Means it controls our movement. We have to go towards that side, or we have to go towards left side or right side. Okay. The next is occupational lobe. This lobe is, you can call this lobe is your eyes, because this lobe is respond that what you see, what you can see with your eyes. Is this the things you have seen is good or bad or normal or emotional? Okay, this can work for our eyes. Temporal lobe. Yes, this is the most important part. You have to understand it. It is about our memory. For example, as a student, when you have learned something, you can feel that yes, we can learn it. I know how to write it. Because the things come in your frontal lobe. This you can call small memory, short-term memory. Okay, this is a short-term memory. The things you have learned once comes in your short-term memory. But when we have read things again, just like ABC, we can read or learn ABC in our childhood, but as we grow, but we have to know that what is ABC, and we know all the alphabets. Why? Because we learn it so many times that it comes from temporary memory to permanent memory. We can say it permanent memory. Permanent memory. Okay, have you understand it? Permanent memory. The things comes in permanent memory means temporal lobe. Some students say that, oh, we can learn it, but we forget it. We don't know that how we forget. It means कि हमने याद तो किया था, हमें आता भी था, हमने लिखा भी था, पता नहीं क्यों अभी हमें नहीं याद आ रहा. क्यों? क्योंकि वो चीज़ें आपकी फ्रंटल लोब में होती है, जो कि परमानेंट मेमोरी नहीं होती. जब आप उस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छी तरह याद करेंगे तो वो टेम्पोरल लोब में आएगी और वो परमानेंट मेमोरी में चेंज हो जाएगी, फिर आप उसको भूलेंगे नहीं, चाहे आपको कभी भी पेपर्स देने पड़े। ओके, लेट्स मूव। सेरिब्रम। सेरिब्रम इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ these things. Cerebrum, what can cerebrum can do? The cerebrum control balance and movement. Actually the cerebrum is the lowest part of our brain. Okay, the lowest part of our brain. This is spinal cord. This is spinal cord. We can say a backbone. ठीक है, cerebrum is connected with spinal cord, so it controls our movement plus our balance, that how we have to stand. The person, you can hear that, oh, his spinal cord is damaged, so he cannot stand, he cannot walk, because if spinal cord is damaged, cerebrum is also damaged. Okay, this is our today's lecture. You have to learn it and understand it, and if you have any difficulty and you find anything that which I cannot tell you or which you don't understand, tell me. I will teach you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.